Let us take this sum. Two circles intersect at point A and B. Okay. A line through B, this is the line through B, meet at R. A line through B intersects the circle in point P and Q. This is the line which is passing through B and it is intersecting the circle in points P and Q. Now tangents through P and Q, this is the tangent through P, this is the tangent through Q. They are meeting where? They are meeting at point R. Okay. Then tangents, if you take through this point B to the two circles, okay, meet PR and QR in point, which point? N and M. If you draw tangents from this point B and from this point B, they will meet this PR and QR in which two points? N and M. What do we have to prove? We have to prove that this angle PRQ, this angle is equal to angle NBN. Okay. So for that purpose, we consider this triangle PBN. Okay. For triangle PBN, which are the tangents? NP and NB. Tangents drawn from an exterior point to a circle are congruent. So for triangle PBN, PN is equal to BN. Tangents from an exterior point to a circle. Now, if these two sides are equal, naturally the base angles will be equal. Why? Because the triangle becomes an isosceles triangle. Getting that? So, therefore, angle NPB is equal to angle PBN. Okay? By isosceles triangle theorem. That is, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to them will be equal. Okay, so this is your equation 1. Now if you consider this triangle, this case, that is BM is equal to MQ. Again, tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length. So therefore these two angles will be equal. Angle MBQ will be equal to angle MQB, right? So again we will write in this manner. Similarly, for triangle BMQ, we can show in the similar manner, we can show that that this angle MBQ is equal to BQM. So angle MBQ is equal to angle BQM. Reason is the same, again by isosceles triangle theorem. Okay, so what we have shown is these two angles are congruent, these two angles are congruent. Now, if we look at this angle, this pair of angle PBN plus angle NBM plus angle MBQ. Okay, again look, angle PBN, or simply first take angle PBM plus MBQ. What kind of angles are they? They are angles in a linear pair, so their sum is 180. So I'll write that first. Now, angle PBM plus angle MBQ is equal to 180. by linear pair axiom. Sum of angles in a linear pair, their sum is 180. Come to this PBM. This PBM, it is made up of two angles, PBN plus NBM. Yes, PBM, it is made up of PBN plus NBM. So, I am going to write for this PBM. This PBM, we are going to write it as angle PBN plus angle NBM. This as it is, MBQ as it is equal to 180. Reason is by angle addition property. Fine. Now, as such, if you have a look at this equation, 1, PBN is equal to what? NPB. This PBN is equal to NPB, right? So, in place of PBN, I'll write NPB. So, angle NPB plus this angle NBM as it is. Fine. And in place of MBQ, look here, MBQ. Can you see that? In place of MBQ, I'll write angle Q or angle BQM. See here, equation 2. In place of MBQ, I will be writing BQM. I hope you got that. So we will write here in place of MBQ, angle BQM is equal to 180. And the reason you will give here is from 1 and 2. From equations 1 and 2. Got that? Okay. So now this becomes your equation number 3. I'll take now this triangle. Triangle PQR. In this triangle PQR, we have angle R plus angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180. Right? Angle R means angle PRQ. Angle P means angle RPQ and angle RQP, that is equal to 180. Fine. So now we write now in triangle PRQ, angle RPQ plus angle PRQ plus angle PQR is equal to 180. Property of a triangle. Sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Now compare these two equations 3 and 4. The right hand side of these two equations is the same. So the left hand side should be equal. Right? So what we do is we equate the left hand side. So now we write from 3 and 4. This is your 3. Angle NPB plus angle NBM plus angle BQM is equal. This will be equal to what? This will be equal to angle RPQ plus PRQ plus PQR. Fine. Now look at the vertices. This angle NPB and angle RPQ, they are one and the same. NPB and RPQ, they are one and the same. So they will be cancelled. We are going to cancel these two. Fine. Now look at this angle. angle BQM and angle PQR in the figure. Angle what? BQM and angle PQR. They are one and the same. BQM and PQR. Are you getting that? So they two are same angles. So this also will be cancelled. So what you are left out with? You are left out with angle NBM is equal to angle PRQ, which is your plane. See? Angle PRQ is equal to angle NBM. And we got the result. Angle NBM is equal to angle PRQ. I hope you got this sum. Okay. If you have any other sum, if you have any other lesson with general sums to be solved, kindly put it in the comment box. Thank you so much.